I was born as an individual. But when I became we, civilization developed. We walked out of the woods and learned to collaborate. We crossed borders to trade goods, and now we have reached a new phase of globalization. As China's leading digital bank, we are implementing an open banking ecosystem with cutting-edge technologies to break boundaries and fully open ourselves. But how? Let's use a fishing metaphor as an example. We share our catch with our fellow fishing partners. Moreover, we share tools and methods with them to achieve even better results. With all above, we actively collaborate and joyfully feast together, is how WeBank implements the 3-0 paradigm of open banking. We advocate open platform to provide financial services to our partners and create our ecosystem. We advocate open innovation to lower the threshold of technology adoption. Fast service development speeds up the establishment of more diversified ecosystems for our partners. We advocate open collaboration to foster collaborative business alliances across a large variety of business use cases. Fully opening up will help partners break down the barriers of centralized business, solve trust issues, and jointly create the future of collaborative business. Let's transform I to we and fulfill the dream of inclusive finance and build collaborative business together. Collaborative business brings a better future. Better banking, better life. WeBank.